Good morning, my name is Nick Eels and I'm the Product and Development for Aforza. I wanted to give you a quick sneak preview at some of the new tablet audit functionality we've got coming in our summer release on July 31st. Aforza does 3 releases a year and they're packed full of new features and innovation for consumer goods companies. And this is just one of the many features that will be coming in our summer release. So I'm logged into the tablet application as a sales rep called Sophie, and here I can see all the visits I need to complete today. I can see a visit here for the Fresh Start Shop Southeast, which I'm going to click into. And the first thing it asks me to do is check in and start the visit, which I'm going to go ahead and do. And then I get a list of tasks that I need to complete. So we can do everything from check promotion compliance, perform surveys of competitor offerings, or store product placement. We can capture new orders, we can check our invoices and pay the invoices directly from the app. We can review merchandise, and then importantly, what I'm going to show you today is checking stock levels. So when I click check stock levels, this takes me onto an audit page. This audit page is completely configurable. You can choose the different type of audit you want to perform, whether it's a merchandise review, a stock check, competitor intel gathering, and then all of the fields and information on here are completely configurable so you can collect the information you need as a business. Once I've gathered my initial information, I'm going to start the audit, which takes me into the actual audit process. And on here, I have a list of all of the different products in the store that I need to perform an audit on. So from here, I can go through each product one by one and enter information about them. And if I needed to, I can click Add Asset in the top right, and this lets me add brand new products in here as well, which we might have started stocking but didn't know about. So once I've added all the products here, once I'm ready to start, I can click on the little edit icon, and this will bring up the side panel. And this side panel is to make it super easy and super intuitive to enter all of my details for that product. So on here, I can see all my shelf details, which might be the quantity, it might be the status, it might be the location on the shelf. I can see pricing details, so what price it's displaying on the shelf, how much do they purchase it for, when did they purchase it. And again, all of these fields and these tabs are completely configurable, so you can have the exact information you want for every single product displaying in whichever tab format you want. So I can very quickly and easily go on and start modifying the quantity, so I can say there's actually none of that left. I can update that one, and I can continue clicking down the list, and if I need to, I can update the information. I can swap between the different products by clicking on the edit icon. And once I've finished entering the details, I can then confirm the audit. The other thing I can do is I can just simply swipe across if nothing has changed, and it will just automatically update that item extremely quickly and efficiently, so you can perform your visit much, much faster. So I've gone ahead and I've updated my items. I'm going to confirm the stock there. And I get this new page here, which is actually giving me recommendations and showing me what's happened during this audit. So I can see there was 5 products assessed as part of this stock audit. 4 of them are now low in stock. 1 of them is out of stock. And it's giving me these AI recommendations saying, hey, we think there's a chance to restock them right here by placing a new order. So you should do that. So at the bottom, I can either just submit the audit and finish it, or I can submit an order. And when I do that, it's going to create a brand new order for me. It's going to add in all the products that were missing stock as part of that audit, and it's going to add the right quantities in there, and it's going to price them. It's going to apply the right commercial policies, the right promotions for those products, so that the customer is getting the exact number of products they need with the exact pricing that they get based on their contractual discounts with us. So with that, I can click complete order. I can sign for the order, or have the customer sign for the order, and go ahead and finish. And now you can see in my list here that the stock audit has been checked off. We've also placed a brand new order with the right quantities, and that's been added as a task and checked off, and I can continue on with the rest of the visit. So that was a very high-level overview. The key concepts of this are, we want you to be able to go in and do a visit very quickly and efficiently, and also accurately. So these are what all of the new enhancements we're making around our tablet UX are for. Hopefully this has been useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll be happy to answer them.